Welcome to day 521 of our Web3 journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein here with my twin brother Brian. And remember, these videos are being sponsored by NFT Tech. They are an investor in the Web3 mobile app DeSoFi. So to get started, I just want to talk about a correction we have. I think it was yesterday or the day before we mentioned Pearl, the Pearl app that's being built on the DeSo blockchain. And we said it looks like they're working on a Zoom-like feature. This was totally wrong. Pearl contacted us and said, no, we weren't previewing a Zoom-like feature. That was actually a screenshot of us using Zoom. Uh, they were just posting a screenshot of Misha Da Vinci's webinar, and they were on the Zoom meeting, I guess just talking about Pearl during the event, and we misinterpreted it, and we thought that they were building a Zoom feature. So that's not coming, at least not right now. They said if the demand's there, maybe they would consider it though.
Yeah, yeah, messed up. It was Ed's fault, but let's move on to uh, the crypto space. And there's some interesting statistics coming out of OpenSea, and the recent statistics as of yesterday, August 28th, OpenSea's trading volume for one single day was down 99% from the
Wow.
peak on May 1st. So yesterday there was about $5 million worth of NFT transactions that took place on OpenSea. But during the peak, which was May 1st, there were $405 million in transactions. This is all according to stats by DApp Radar. So that's interesting, but also there's major declines in daily volume as well as users on OpenSea, active users. So the NFT space is very slow right now. Another example is the floor price for Bored Apes, the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. The floor prices have dropped 53% to 72.5 ETH yesterday from where they were at on May 1st, which was about twice that at 153.7 ETH. In addition to the price dropping in denominated in Ethereum by 50%, the price of Ethereum also has declined 50%. So really, a Bored Ape sold today is at floor price is getting about a quarter, 25% of what they were getting on May 1st if you denominate it in US dollars. So it's a crypto winter. There's no doubt about it. And it's going to be interesting to see how the NFT kind of evolves, the NFT space evolves outside of this crypto winter, because I think as the market picks up steam, whenever that's going to be, I do think there's going to be changes within the NFT space. And I think utility and what those NFTs have to offer a user will be important.
Yeah, I think we're going to kind of see a convergence of utility and NFTs coming together at some point. Uh, you know, the whole crypto space is down, so I don't think this is an NFT issue right now. It's just a crypto issue. I think it's kind of just being reflected by the uncertainties in world markets, especially after Fed Chairman Powell gave his speech a couple of days ago, which kind of made things look a little more bleak than I think people were hoping for. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. I think as the crypto space comes back, NFTs are going to come back as well.
Yeah, agreed.
So moving on to the DeSo blockchain, Eva Social. We talked about Eva Social a few days ago. It's actually created by a 13-year-old programmer. It's a Node app built on the DeSo blockchain, and they just today they're introducing Eva Social communities. So you can now create communities on Eva Social. You can now participate in communities and join communities on Eva Social. They say it's like Discord and Reddit. It's kind of like a combination of the two. If you go to Eva Social, the website is eva-phi dot vercel, vercel dot app. You can then click on the community tab and then just click on create new community, or you can join a community directly from there. You can search on Eva and find the community you want to join, and then take part in it. I love this idea.
Yeah, I think communities are important to any social platform. So the faster we can get a community Reddit style or Discord style community, I think the better for the protocol in general. I'm just amazed that somebody hasn't developed this yet. We're going on a year and a half now since DSO first launched. You would have thought that a developer would have came in and taken advantage of the gap here. I know that we probably would have done this if we weren't working on NFTZ, but we do have some social features being built into NFTZ in the coming months. But definitely check out Eva Social. Check them out. The site is really it's really good on the eyes. It's a larger format text, and I'm looking forward to see if communities start developing these. I think that could really help spur things along.
Yeah, so Goldberry, if you're on DSO, you probably know Goldberry. She's an OG. It's actually Goldberry is actually a band, uh, but they're sneak peeking something. They made a post saying that a sneak peek of what we're working on is coming tomorrow, and this post was made around midnight Eastern time. So I assume tomorrow actually means today. I assume she was just up late last night and said something's coming tomorrow. Um, and they also made a post. The post was made on using Story, the Story app, and it says, "Stay tuned for a little teaser video coming tomorrow." So I have no idea what this is. I know they're musicians, so maybe it's something music related. I really don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I can't even guess, but I'm excited. Maybe they're gonna create some sort of music node, and instead of diamonds, they're gonna give away gold berries.
No, I don't think that's
You're supposed
happening.
to laugh there. Ha 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 ha.
No.
Yeah.
So moving on, effed up cats. They're going multi-chain. This is really cool. So they're preparing their biggest drop ever. Their biggest drop ever on one of the major chains. They didn't say which chain. Could be Solana. It could be Ethereum. I don't know. Maybe Polygon. Uh, I don't know. But the new series is called Night of the Living Dead Cats, and the mint is going to be free if you own any of their NFTs from season 1, 2, or 3, or if you own their creator coin, or if you own any of their DAO coins. So you're gonna have a chance to get free mints of the new effed up cats. 15% of all the sales are going to go into the effed up cat creator coin. So even though these NFTs are going to be on another chain, they're still going to give their royalties, some royalties to the creator coin, and they're also going to give another 15% to the FUC DAO, which is the effed up cats DAO on DAO. So this is exciting. The drop's taking place today. I can't wait to see what it all encompasses. I don't know. Do we own any? I know we own some DAO tokens, so I think we're probably gonna get some free mints. I'm pretty excited about that.
Yeah, and I think they're great for DSO. If they can create a successful series outside of DSO, say it's on Ethereum, I think that that could really bring some people under DSO because of the fact that their creator coin is gaining value based on those sales, as well as a DAO and DAO. So good luck to effed up cats, and hopefully it can also bring some more new faces to DSO.
And keep in mind that NFTZ is gonna be integrating with Ethereum. So if it's on, I don't know which chain it's on, but we're also gonna be integrating with other chains as well. So eventually, these will all be kind of combined into the DSO ecosystem.
Yeah, so moving on another node, uh, seems like we're getting some new nodes here. Eva Social, now there's CricketSocial, which we spoke about before, but they're actually live now. The CricketSocial node is live. They made the first post ever from CricketSocial. There's a reminder that you can also buy CricketSocial DAO coins on DAO. So if you want to contribute to that, please do. Uh, it's a social network for cricket players, fans, teams, etc. Definitely check out their website. The link will be below this video and below the post on DSO.
Yeah, I think it's really cool because it's going to allow teams and communities and fans to all kind of interact in this new social media platform that's built on the DeSo blockchain. Of course, cricket is not very big here in America, but all over the world it's pretty big. So it's going to be interesting to see if they can onboard some people. So moving on, Octoposse. Of course, they had their big season 2 launch. I think over 1,000 NFTs in season 2 have been minted so far, which is really insane. It's crazy. So they're adding a new feature thanks to generative, and you can now view a list of 5 Octoposses in season 2 that will improve your rarity. So let's say you have 10 Octoposses, and you want to try and figure out how you can make the most rare Octoposse. You can use this feature, You just go to octoposse.generative.site, click on show best matches, and then it's going to show you the best matches of all Octoposses out there owned by other people, which if you merge minted with that one, it would increase your rarity score the most. So it's a great feature to try and figure out how you can get the rarest Octoposse in. I love the game that they're playing. It's going a few more weeks, I believe, and we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah,
Actually,
really
it might not
useful
be a few
tool.
more weeks. I'm not exactly sure. I think it's September. I think it's the beginning of September sometime.
Yeah, I think it's September 8th,
I
actually.
think you're
But
right.
it's a really useful tool that they added. Just adds to the excitement of the game, I think. So moving on to the top NFT bidders over the last 24 hours, according to NFTZ, they are FP Fund, Mr. Music, Chairmislav Big Dong, Meta Philosopher, Nigel's, BitCloud FR, P King, Hatch Fund, Spunk Art, and JFraz 2204. And the top diamonded creators, according to Altum Base, over the last 24 hours, these people received the most tips on DSO over the last day. And they are Now and Then, Stargeezer, My Key Stew, The Brave Father, BK Power 8, William Laurent, Shady Acres, Spunk Art, BitClout Artist, and rounding out the top 10, us, Krasenstein.
Yeah, and today there's one event. Thanks to Miss Katie Ann once again for providing us with this info. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time on Entra, joinentra.com, there is Investor Office Hours Live with Michael Mara and angel investor Scott Kalick. Uh, I might be saying that wrong. It might be Scott Kalick. I'm not sure. But it should be interesting. It should be fun. I love Entra's rooms, their video chat rooms. Definitely take part in that if you can. And that's all of the news we have for today. We will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.